to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, we will build the two more function which is used to delete and update the values. But before that, let me show you one flaw of our program. Here you can see if we add a new book, let's say name any book, let's say mind, and the name author should be, let's say, Elon, year 2019, ISBN, blah blah blah, and add the book. We got this book in this manner, but it is not a good way. How can we improve it? For that, we simply need to convert it into a tuple and save it. And if I run it again and add a book here, let's say he so 2018 ISBN, let's say, and add a book, it will give us like this. So the flow has been completed. So in the next step, we will develop a delete command, and for that, store back dot delete, and I have to pass the, if you remember, we want to delete where ISBN number is given. The For that, you have to simply pass an ISBN number we are getting in the E4. Yes, et4 dot get. Simple. Save it. Let's run the file. Let me check the database. Let's delete this dfgd. Its ISBN number is 456. Let's delete it. Let's view all now. You can see the book has not been deleted because I have not put it here. Come on. Sorry guys, I have done this the fifth time. What's the ISBN? 456. Delete. You all. Still not deleted. Why? Okay, I have to put here ET4 because the ISBN number is stored in the fourth entry. And if I save it and run it again, 456, 456. Hope it will run. Delete you all. Yes, the book has been deleted. Now it's time to create the update function. Therefore, update command. First, let me just name it here. I forget it every time. Update command. My battery is running. Let me just quickly complete this. For that, it is also very simple. Dot. What I have to do is update and pass the value, these values. I save it and let me check my battery. It's 10%. Let's delete this, update this Rahi 554. ISBN number is 554. Let's name it. Let's say, suggest me a name. Happiness. I think happiness. Author should be, let's say, author JV James. year, let's say 2018, update, view all, not, why not? Okay guys, it's working fine. Let me show you again. If I put this here, and let's, the book name should be Happiness by, yes, in year 208, and update it. Here you can see it has been updated. I don't know why they have not done it before. So it's working fine. And the last function is the close button. How can we do that? Is simply go to this. Here is the close button. Here is the close button. Type a command equals to window dot destroy. Save it, run it. If you close it, it will closed. So it's working fine. So hope you enjoyed this program. And one more thing is that to give the title to your program, what you have to do is in this, you have to window dot wm title, and give the title, let's say book, uh, let's say my book books. Save it, run it, you will get the title here. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial.